In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram puzzle feed in Canva. If you want your Instagram grid to look seamless, creative, and visually striking, you're in the right place. Puzzle feeds are a fun way to make your profile stand out, grab attention, and keep your audience engaged from the very first glance. And the best part, you can create one in just a few minutes using Canva. To get started, head over to Canva. On the homepage, type Instagram puzzle feed into the search bar. This will bring up a range of pre-designed templates specifically made for creating puzzle feeds. These templates are perfect if you want a polished look without starting entirely from scratch. Take some time to scroll through the options. You'll see a variety of styles, from clean and minimalist to bold and colorful. Pick one that matches your brand's aesthetic and the mood you want to share with your followers. Once you've found the one that clicks, go ahead and click on it to start customizing. After selecting your template, click the Customize this template button. This will open your design in Canva's easy-to-use editing interface. You'll notice the template is divided into sections that will line up perfectly when uploaded to your Instagram feed. Now, let's make it yours. Click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side to bring in your own images. You can upload photos from your device or choose from images you've already uploaded to Canva. To replace a photo in the template, simply drag your image onto the placeholder. Canva automatically resizes and crops it to fit, which makes this process super smooth. You can also personalize your puzzle feed with text, fonts, and colors that match your brand. Keep in mind that consistency is key. Using the same color palette, font style, and visual theme will make your feed look professional and cohesive. Play around with these elements until your design feels just right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, preview your design to make sure all the sections line up seamlessly. This step is important because it ensures that your final Instagram grid will appear polished and connected, just like a puzzle. When everything looks perfect, it's time to download your design. Canva gives you multiple file formats, but for Instagram, a high-resolution PNG is usually the best choice. Make sure to save each section individually, starting from the bottom right and working your way left and up. This will ensure your feed uploads in the correct order and maintains the puzzle effect. And that's it. You now have a beautiful, eye-catching Instagram puzzle feed ready to wow your followers. With this approach, your profile will feel more cohesive and engaging, helping your content stand out in a crowded feed. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a ton of fun designing your puzzle feed. Happy creating!